Hey guys, it's the Villa Man here, and I've been thinking of ways to demo this bad boy for you guys to give you a more real-world idea of what the performance is like. And I think I came up with a good idea. Now I'll be using two songs for this. One is pretty popular, but they both create a lot of bass excursion, so it should be pretty interesting. Now going forward, I think I'll be using these two songs to do my bass test, along with more technical tests like Room EQ Wizard to do some actual measurement of the speakers in this room in particular. So get subscribed if you haven't already, because there is so much more to come. Alright, let's get into it.
There's a limit to your love, your love, your love, your love. There's a limit to your care.
So that was the demo. I mean, of course the speakers aren't going to replace a sub. I knew that going in because they have a flat frequency response down to 32 Hz, which is where they start tapering off. So of course the sub actually goes lower than that, so there's no way they could replace it. But the low-end response was still impressive, and that's of course thanks to the 8-inch drivers playing in tandem. So of course I'll continue to audition the speakers and give you my full review after that. I have a lot of music to listen to and a lot of movies to see, but I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments below of what you thought of the demo, and hit that like button if you liked the video, and if you don't like the video, let me know why. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for future content. Until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood Villa Man saying peace.